Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recreating this look of the stunning Hande Erçel. We all know her as Hayat from Pyar Lafzo Mein Kaha or Ask Laftan Alamas. I will be showing you both hair as well as makeup. For the hair, I haven't attached anything. I haven't cut my hair. I will show you how to get these bangs with your natural hair. So without further ado, let's get this started. And if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. I'm going to finish up my makeup first and then move on to the hair part. To prime my face, I'm using the Instant Age Refined Primer from Maybelline. I always like a good primer with silica in it because it helps to hide the pores. And this one has silica in it, so it'll smooth out my skin before I apply any foundation over it. Hayat in general has flawless skin, so to get that flawless base, because I don't have skin like her, I'm going to color correct using the e.l.f. Orange Crayon. I'm going to flatten everything and spread it out using my finger. Fingers are usually warm, so it helps to spread it out better. And then I'm going to set it with some loose powder just so it doesn't mix with the foundation that's coming up next. And the loose powder that I'm using is from Artistry. For foundation, I'm going with the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. It's definitely a long-lasting foundation, and my shade is Olive. I'm going to apply this all over my face and neck using a beauty sponge. The one that I'm using is from Studio 35. Although Hayat never really has a harsh contour, her face always looks fresh, and one of the key elements in making it look fresh is to highlight it. And to highlight my face, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Pure Beige. I'm going to be applying it directly on the high planes of my face, and then I'm going to blend it out with a damp beauty sponge. And while I do that, whatever residue is left on my sponge, I'm going to use that to even out the base on my eyelids. Now I'm going to take more of the loose powder from Artistry to set the concealer wherever I applied it on my face. And then I'm going to take a dry powder puff and I'm going to spread this powder all over the face. That way I set and seal the foundation. Her eyebrows always look very natural, so I'm going to keep mine as natural as possible. Taking the Eyelash brow pencil in dark brown, first I'm going to comb out the hair using the spoolie side, and then I'm going to just fill in the sparse areas. Nice thing about using a brow pencil is it's not too harsh on your brows. Next, I'm going to take the Milani Brow Shaping Gel and I'm going to comb out my eyebrows. This is a clear gel, so it's not going to add any color. It'll only keep my eyebrows in shape. In this picture, she has a very light smoky eye just with two colors, and that's exactly what we're trying to recreate. Using a black eye pencil, I'm going to tightline my waterline. This eye pencil is from Jordana. I'm going to leave the center part of the lower waterline empty because that's how she has it. Next, I'm going to take the tiniest amount of black eyeshadow on a small blending brush and I'm going to smoke out the outer corner of my top lash line. And then I will take a larger blending brush to buff out everything so it looks seamless. And with a small pencil brush, I'm going to smoke out the outer corner of my lower lash line as well. She definitely had a transition color, something that was light brown. So I'm going to be using a bronzer to warm up my crease. And the one that I'm using is from Urban Decay Sin Afterglow palette. Her eyelashes always look beautiful, so I'm going to prep my natural lashes for the falsies by curling it and applying a coat of mascara. The mascara that I'm using is Mega Length from Wet n Wild. And for false lashes, I'm going to be using Ain't No Wifey from Luxy Lash, and I absolutely love this lash because it's pretty long, so it looks pretty glamorous, but at the same time it's pretty wispy, so you can look through it and see the eye makeup. She's very lightly bronzed her face, so for that I'm using PSA from the Afterglow palette. This is from Urban Decay. And while I'm at it, I'm going to take a pencil brush to contour my nose as well. For a light blush, I'm going to be using Score from the same palette. And for that subtle healthy glow, I'm going to be using Sin. For those nude lips, I'm going with the LA Colors lipstick in Classy, but before that, I'm going to be lining my lip line with a lip pencil that's a shade darker than the lipstick, just like what she has. To mattify this lipstick and to make sure everything is well blended, I'm using some loose powder with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to lightly go over my lips. Now let's jump to the hair part. It's very easy if you can practice it a couple times. First, I'm going to section out my hair at the ears, so it's going to be one part on top and one at the bottom. I'm going to smooth out my hair on top using a brush, and I'm going to tie a ponytail way on top using a rubber band, and then I'm going to slowly move the rubber band back a little bit just so I loosen up the ponytail. Next, I'm going to take the lower section, twist my hair, and take all that hair, bring it way on top and insert it through this ponytail. Now this part in front is going to be the bangs. Now let's go ahead and arrange the bangs in a way that it falls right near the eyebrows, because that's how she has it. And then I'm going to secure this with a couple of bobby pins. And then I'm going to tighten the ponytail on top, that way it will hide the bobby pins as well. I'm going to pin the hair in the back as well, just so everything is secure and it doesn't move around. To make these bangs look very soft and silky and more bangs-like, I'm going to take a straightener and I'm going to straighten this out, and while I do that, I'm going to slowly curl this towards my forehead. You can arrange the bangs the way you want, in front, on the sides. Because she has it in front, I'll keep it in front. At this point, you can also use some hairspray if you like. And here's the final look. Let me know what you guys thought by commenting below. And if you liked this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button. I just wanted to take a moment to thank everybody who's been sharing my video on Twitter, Facebook, as well as Instagram. Thank you so much. I see all your tags and I love you guys so much. And I will see you again on Thursday with a brand new video. Bye, guys.